Good afternoon, Trade Scores market scan video for April 15th. Well, you can see the comeback. This was the sell-off because of the war. And then as people worry less about the war, market has come right back. It has actually gone through resistance today. It's not typical that a stock will break through resistance when it comes from that volatility. So I think there's a good chance we make a little pullback before we try to go higher, but market looks a lot better. And if we look at the 3-year weekly chart, you can see that we've basically held the upward trend. All right, so let's get into our scans and see if we can uncover anything good. Like I said yesterday, there's always a bit of a lag between when the market turns around and when individual stocks turn around. You know, as Tesla as an example, it's been a downward trend. It's broken the downward trend, but it's still a long way from its highs. We need it to build a little rising bottom and then break up from that. All right, so I don't see anything on the Canadian market, so let's try the US side. Same scan, abnormal breaks. The other scan you can use is the Stockscores Simple, more for maybe longer term position trades. You know, these stocks all making abnormal price gains, but into pessimism generally. It's probably the market itself just pulling these stocks up. They're a little too beat up and they're bouncing back. But, you know, like this, for example, it's up 44% today. It doesn't look like much on that chart, but it's still in the downward trend. Now, if you are a day trader and you see this, there was a good trade on this one today. I bought it right there on this break and wrote it up. Actually, maybe it was right here. And then load it up. But I don't see anything so far for position trades. This one's getting close. See it breaking the downward trend line from a little rising bottom, but lacks volume. I'd like to see volume and support, so we'll pass on that one. And next page. All right, so I don't see anything that looks too good. I'm optimistic that things will get better. This was the hot day trader of the day. This stock has just had a crazy run. Started in the pre-market at $2. It hit 20, I think it hit $25 today. So it's been awesome trader for the day trader, but wouldn't want to touch that for a longer term trade. It's a shoe manufacturer that decided to go into the AI business, which doesn't seem to make a lot of sense, but stock market loved it. All right, so we'll leave it at that. Hope you've enjoyed it. Trade well.